What's going on, everyone? Chinedu here. In this affiliate marketing tutorial, I'm going to look at the question of what is affiliate marketing, which is commonly asked. Now, before we get started, why don't you like this video, subscribe to my channel, and also bang on that bell so you get notified each time I drop a new video. If you follow me to the end of this video, I'll let you into my #1 affiliate program for high ticket affiliate commissions. So I get asked this question all the time on TikTok, in my Facebook group. What is affiliate marketing? Is it legitimate? Is it a scam? Is it MLM? Is it a pyramid scheme? It is none of those, I can assure you. Simply, affiliate marketing is a business where you get paid a commission for promoting other people's products or services. It's like recommending a restaurant to your friends because you love the food, and if they use the restaurant and mention your name and you get a commission, that's what affiliate marketing is all about. It is used by thousands of businesses every day to increase their reach and increase their sales. And I'm going to show you some examples. Now, the biggest e-commerce company in the world, Amazon, if you go to their website and you scroll right down, you will come to here where it says become an affiliate. If you click on that, it will take you to the affiliate program for Amazon, which is called Amazon Associates. So you recommend products, you earn commissions, and if you scroll down, you sign up to the Amazon affiliate program. When you recommend products, you get up to 10% commission. So this is Amazon affiliate program. The same goes for Walmart, one of the biggest companies in the world. Walmart has an affiliate program. Best Buy has an affiliate program. Verizon has an affiliate program. AT&T has an affiliate program. So you can see immediately some of the largest companies in the world have affiliate programs through which people can earn commissions, start online businesses either as a side hustle or as full-time businesses. The way affiliate marketing works is when you get accepted into a program, the company will give you a unique affiliate link. When anyone makes a purchase through that link, you get a commission because it's tagged. There is a code which is tagged into your unique link, which means any sale gets directed back to your back office and you receive a commission. A lot of affiliate programs also have what is called a cookie, which is like a code which is tagged onto your affiliate link, which means if the cookie, for example, lasts for 60 days, it means that once somebody clicks on your link, if they come back within the next 60 days and buy that product, you will still receive a commission. So it's called a cookie, and it can last from 24 hours, 48 hours to months, depending on which company you're an affiliate for. For people looking to start a business online, affiliate marketing is perhaps one of the easiest to get started with. It requires hard work, but it's one of the easier programs you can start. So it is beginner friendly. And the great thing is you don't need to create your own products. You don't need an inventory. You don't worry about customer services. You don't worry about product returns. Your job is to direct traffic to your affiliate link, make sales, and receive commissions. So how do you find products to promote? I'll show you the easiest way to do so. Let's say you have a niche or a passion or a hobby or something you love, then go to Google. For example, here I've typed in beauty products plus affiliate program. So when you click on that, it's going to come up with a list of affiliate programs, and you can select from that list. So that's the easiest way to find an affiliate program to join. In terms of niches, the top three are health, wealth, and relationships. These are the three top niches where you can easily find affiliate programs and help you set up a business. So once you find a product, you then create content around that product. You could use YouTube, it could be TikTok, it could be a blog. You create content to promote the affiliate program. And then when people buy through your link, you get a commission. So you find their product, you create content, you promote on a platform. And like I said, the most common platforms will be using a blog, using TikTok or YouTube. Other platforms like Facebook and Twitter are also great for affiliate marketing. Sometimes I hear people saying affiliate marketing is saturated. How will I make it if I start a business? Well, it's not true. It is a big market. Now, if you look at this data from Statista, you can see that affiliate marketing in the United States alone is projected to be worth over $8 billion in 2022. And that's just the United States alone. So it is a huge market. You can see the rising trend in affiliate marketing in the US. Also, if you look at what people are searching for in affiliate marketing, you can see the trend in search for affiliate marketing keeps rising. So it is a massive market. It's not saturated. So you can tap in and build your own business anytime. I showed you the Amazon affiliate program, and you can see the amount of commission you can earn with the Amazon affiliate program. It depends on what products you promote. So it goes from 4% commission for some products to 10% commission with Amazon. Now, personally, I prefer high ticket affiliate marketing. This is promoting products that pay at least $500 in commissions for each sale. I will show you some high ticket affiliate programs. A popular one is WP Engine, which is a web hosting company. If you scroll down on their affiliate program, you can see you can earn $200 for sales for each sale you make. Another high ticket program is the SEMrush affiliate program. Again, you earn $200 for every subscription sale you make of this program. SEMrush is an SEO marketing company. Another program I like for high ticket affiliate marketing is Legendary Marketer. You can see how much commissions you can earn with Legendary Marketer. Here, $2,800, $1,300, $1,000, $1,000 there, $598.8. So these are high ticket programs, and I prefer this sort of programs than the Amazon affiliate program. I will go into high ticket affiliate marketing in a separate video to show some of the programs in more detail and show you how you can harness and pivot into high ticket commissions in building an affiliate marketing business. So you can see from this video that affiliate marketing is a simple and legitimate business. Unlike MLM, where you have to recruit people and have to sell products to make it to the top of the business. With affiliate marketing, you're simply a marketer, you're a middleman, and you promote a product. So the company wins, you win, and the customer wins. The customer buys a product at no extra cost. It is very important you promote a product you use yourself and you love. For example, I promote ClickFunnels, which is a software for building sales funnels and landing pages. I use it, I love it, and it's one of my top affiliate programs. So this is a ClickFunnels affiliate program, which pays up to 40% commission on the products. And this is a very popular affiliate program. There are books to promote. Promote the One Funnel Away Challenge, another book.com secrets. So this is one of the popular programs for affiliate marketing. I hope this short video has shown you what affiliate marketing is all about. It requires hard work to set up the system, get it automated, and then it can run on autopilot and make money even when you're sleeping, so to speak. Again, I'll show in a different video how to set up your affiliate marketing system so it runs all on automation without you having to do much work daily. I promise to give you the link to my #1 affiliate program. If you go to the description, you'll find that link. Secondly, I have a free product for you. You'll find a link to my free affiliate marketing ebook called The 8 Simple Steps to Affiliate Marketing Wealth. You'll find the link in the description. You can use it to go through the 8 steps to set up an affiliate marketing business, and it's completely free. So thank you very much for watching this video. Do follow me, like this video, and also subscribe to my channel, and also bang that bell to get notified each time I release a new video. And I'll see you on the next one.